why are you so actively involved in an international festival that is done in Lilongwe? Why exactly are you interested in this?
Okay. Well, I have a great personal interest in the arts, and I have found music and drama and poetry here to be very interesting. And in 2010, myself and a Zimbabwean friend got together and decided that it would be a very worthwhile idea to run a 2-day festival of arts to see what the temperature was like for this type of thing in Lilongwe. And we decided we would make it international because we felt there was a lot of talent from international groups already in Lilongwe.
There's some lovely storytelling going on at the moment with our Malawi storytellers.
That's a pretty good squirrel. You're the best looking squirrel on the campus.
DHL Malawi, to Elizabeth Safaris.
Hello.
Land Travel, Malawi Irish Society. We're waiting now for the competition.
I'm acting as the fans.
So perhaps that's a piece. There's a nice freeze.
Whoa.
Died blind and miserable. There is not a stone of that accursed building left standing one upon the other.
What I often do with a group of artists is I give them all a sheet of paper and I ask them to close their eyes and to do a mark on the paper and then to hold the paper up above their heads and open their eyes, and then I ask each person who is the best artist in the room. Because there isn't. It's about individuality. Everybody has a style, everybody has a soul, everybody has their own way of expressing, and this is a classic example of 8 very talented young artists who are doing what's inside and expressing it. There are lots of